Hello together! Today's topic is how do we change the exhaust filter on the side of the machine. First of all, there are two different kinds of outer paneling. The new model is with a little hatch. The older model is with a complete metal side panel. In the older machines, you would have to remove 4 screws to get this panel off to access the filter. In the newer version, it's easy. Just open up the little hatch and we have access to the filter on the side. To get it out, we just unscrew it clockwise until we have it. And then you take a fresh one, obviously, put it back in and put it in counterclockwise and make it firm and tight. And this is how you change the exhaust filter.